it is safe to just leave it in 2dp. Just leave it in 2dp, but indicate that your answer has been left in 2 decimal place, so that the marker will know that, okay, there are some other digits that has been left out. Okay, Tendi, DM me, then we'll talk about the WhatsApp group. You can DM me, then we'll talk about the WhatsApp group. Okay, let's look at this as before I drop. Let's look at this. So, welcome, guys. Welcome. You're more than welcome to my live. You're welcome. Everybody's welcome. We are here to help one another in mathematics. Yeah, this is why it's called Mathematics Clinic. None of us is perfect in mathematics. It's a clinic, yeah? So, and the clinic is only for the people that are not feeling well, that are not healthy yeah. So Mathematics Clinic is for those who are sick in mathematics. So the healthy ones, please, you can stick back. You can act as Red Cross. In case we faint, you help us. Okay, so we have been given this question, and we've been asked to say, calculate the length of QR. The length of QR. Okay, saying find the length of QR. I totally forgot that I'm using a different question now. So let me just do this. Calculate the length of QR. Hey, Tabitha, welcome. So now, my good friends, look at this question. We have 2 angles. We have 35 degrees angle, we have 51 degrees angle, and we have a 90 degrees angle here. So we have 2 right angle triangle in one. We have 2 in one. We have this right angle triangle, SPR, and we have SPQ. We have 2 right angles. Now, they want us to find this length. So, my good friends, if they want us to find this length, the best thing we need to do is to find the larger length. We need to first determine this length. We first know what that length is. Okay, if we are able to know that length, then it will be easy for us to know that other length. Maludo, what time? Boy, what time do you start lesson today? Is my first time, so I'm ready, but I'm enjoying. All right, so I go live every day at 6 p.m. Central African time. If you're in Zambia, that's 18 hours. 6 p.m. Central African time. Please, you can check out your timing. That is an hour ago. I go live an hour ago, so check. Already 1 hour has passed since I came live. So an hour ago, that's the time I normally go live. Let's go back to business. So the first thing we need to do, find the length of the QS. Then we can now subtract the small length. So we are going to use this. We are going to say, let me just put here. Okay, so we have P, we have S, and we have Q. And we're going to use this angle, which is 35 degrees. So for the large one, this is the angle, okay? So we're going to say we have the 10 centimeter there. And now we want to find that. So we have the 90 degrees because this 90 is for both triangles. So using trigonometrical ratios, which trigonometrical ratio are we going to use, my good friends, in order for us to find the length? Which trigonometrical ratio are we going to use, my good friends? Okay, blue guy is saying tan. Others, what do we say? Tan. Lutendo, where are you from? Okay, so yes, my good friends, we're going to use tan because hypotenuse hasn't been given. So I'm going to say Let me use this so because I need some space. So say tan. Oh, Lutendo said we shouldn't be using capital letters. We are prohibited. Lumpopo. December, I'm coming in Limpopo. December, I'm coming in Limpopo. How is Limpopo, my good friends? Welcome to my live, my South African family. Welcome to my live. So it's a great honor to host you, my Sasasa, my South African family. So we are going to use tan 35 degrees is equal to, okay? So we have our opposite, which is 10, and our adjacent, which is x. Yeah, I've heard road shedding is doing you bad, eh? Oh, it's already 9 now, 7 p.m. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, South Africans are really having problem with load shedding. I'm so sorry. But Rainbow, you won't miss out. Rainbow, you won't miss out. The reason is that after this live, these videos will be posted. Okay, after this live, these videos will posted. So if you have any corrections, if maybe I made a mistake, you are free to do it in one of my videos and make that correction. Tabitha, hey, how are you doing? So we want to make x the subject of formula. So we are going to cross multiply. So to be tan 35 multiplied by x. So to be x tan 35 degrees is equal to 1 times 10, it is 10. Okay, then we say over tan 35 over tan 35. X is equal to 10 over tan 35. Then on our calculator, so those who are complaining, you're covered because the videos will be posted. You can still watch them after the load shedding. So we have 10 over tan 35. Oops, why did I place one sign instead of okay? Equals. So we have 14.28148,007. You can still confirm with me 10 over tan 35. So we have 14. Correct to dp to be 14.28. So the length units are. So the length of QS has been found, which is 14.28. Yes, it did. Yes, blue. So it's 14.28. Now, my good friends, look at this. Look at this, right? We now know the distance from this or the length from this to that. Same as distance, huh? Confirm. Thank you so much, Concelia. So what we need now to do, what we're supposed to do next is, okay, we are going to find the smaller one. But how do we find the smaller one? Huh? How do we find the smaller one? So I'm asking for the third time. Third time. What do you mean the third time? What do you mean the third time? So I'm asking for the third time. What is your question then? Why don't we say tan 90 if I may ask? No, we can't use tan 90. Just because of that angle, we can't use that angle. Okay, we can't use that angle. It can be tan 90. Because no, we can't use tan 90. In tan 90 is math error. There's nothing like tan 90. It's undefined. Tan 90 is undefined. Okay, let's do this. What am I trying to do? Okay, let's now find the smaller size. Yes. Let's find this small side. So that when we find this smaller side, we'll be able to subtract that. Okay? We'll be able to subtract that. So when finding the smaller size, so since we know that the QS is equal to 14.28, yeah? So now we are going to find the side RS, this length, RS. So then we'll subtract, okay? So when finding RS, so we know that this length is 14.28, yeah? So we are going to say, we are now finding that. So it is opposite, our opposite, then we have adjacent. We still use tan. Yes, who's this one? Multi. Yes, you're right, multi. So we're going to say tan 51 is equal to, our opposite is 10 over adjacent, which is x. We cross multiply. It will be x. These things, okay. Dry up. It's x tan 51 is equal to 10. Okay? Then we divide by tan 51. Even that side by tan 51. Then we're going to say x is equal to 10 over tan 51. So now, calculator would say 10 over tan 51. Okay? Then we equate. It will be 8.097840,332. So correct to dp, it will be 8.1. Let me say 8.10. 8.10, right? So now, correct to dp. So now, my good friends, we are going to subtract from the bigger length. So to be 14. Now we are finding QR. We say 14.28 minus 8.10. And our final answer will be 14.28 minus 8.1. We can still compute without even using calculator. So to be QR is equal to 6.18. Correct to dp. Don't forget the units because we are talking about the side. Okay, this is how you find such. That's how you go about that. Are we okay with that, my good friends? Having done that, let's now talk about non-right angle triangles. We talk about sine and cosine rule. Okay? Let's talk about sine and cosine rule. So today we'll pay attention on sine rule, then tomorrow we'll continue on cosine rule because I need to drop. I just got from work, then I came live on TikTok. The boy needs to rest, otherwise I'll start giving you false information because